Hello dear students, in this lecture we guide you how log on ChatGPT. It is available on OpenAI account on website openai.com, a website where you can find ChatGPT. When you open it, here come on click sign up. When you click on the sign up button, you can log on here on with your email ID. You give here your email ID, then I am not robot. Click here, I am not robot. You can continue it. If you have already account, you click here, you give your email address, and I am not robot. You can continue it on next stage. You come on the Google Chat GPT here, then click here, then come, let's try. Here you can find it. I click here. If you already have, so you click here. If you are new want, you click just here and give your email address and just continue. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture.